want to explain what this does. This sets the foundation for your company for a lot of different links, for keywords, for getting established for relevance. So I'm going to dive a little bit deep into this here, and you're going to have to follow us some of the different technical terms as far as some embeds and I'm assuming you know about backlinking strategies to rank websites. So again, this is a little bit more advanced of a tactic. Now, this is a basic uh, Google Ultimate Stack. These get much more in depth, but this is a basic that we're going to go over. So as you can see here, this is my home page of the website, and where it starts to get a little bit in depth is here's our embed of our Google business site. Now, if you don't know a lot about the Google business site, head over to our GMB optimization. It talks a lot about that and what it is. As you can see, all the services are embedded in here. We even have cities that we have added specifically into this Google business site. And then we have another embed in this Google site. This specific embed is it's of the My Maps, so it's links to several different pages. And this is one of the first things that we do before we even create this Google site is we're creating these embeds. Now if you go down, if you see this here, you're going to see there's a total of 8 maps. All of them have unique articles that are written with these particular maps. In this one, for some odd reason, you guys are going to see some question marks here. That actually, you have to go back and change that. For some reason, they do not like bullet points, and it puts question marks instead of bullet points. But in this particular tutorial, just ignore that because those will be deleted. So, anyways, you guys are going to see 8 different total maps. I already explained this over in our other service section for the Google My Map creation. If you didn't watch that, please go back, watch that. So that's going to be something you guys want to purchase. This particular service, the Google Ultimate Stack, that actually includes that in the price though. So, but to learn more about what this is and what it does for you, please head over there, watch the video. I don't want to go too much in depth into that. So next, this is on the home page. It's going to add 3 of your maps directly instead of putting it on an iframe. For some reason, Google Drive is actually failing to connect, but there's a Google embed that generally shows up here for your Google Drive. I have no clue why it's not showing up. This is a fail on Google's part here, but as you can see, we have keyword-oriented inner pages of all of these. You can put additional information on each individual page of this. So for now, we have video. We have a video here. We have more NAP information, the business site URL. Um, Again, more of the embeds, and it's going to actually utilize sometimes the same map, sometimes different maps. It really all depends on each of your inner pages of your website. So if you think about this, what you can do is after you build this ultimate stack, I can grab this URL of my homepage and I can start building links to it. And in this particular link, this will lead back to my main website. So let me rephrase that. When I build to this, it's sending authority to all of these relevant pages. It's sending authority to all of my embeds. That means to all of my posts that I have on here, all the posts that I'm going to do for forever. It's increasing your business authority. It's increasing the authority of your PDF with all of your maps on it. So this is leading back to your My Maps and increasing the authority. And any other link that you come through here and put, such as your CID to your map, such as your YouTube, which your YouTube then has links in it, and it's sending authority to other pages, other embeds, other links, whatever it may be. This should be your foundation to create your highest authority links for natural purposes and send them. Embed everything else in here that you have. You can go through here. You can add your citations. in a particular list or in another embed, you could add your press release links, so you're increasing their authority. Anything that you create, you can come back here and put an embed on it, and guess what? The authority that you're going to be building up. So build some backlinks to this. We have a great distribution, press release distribution. It's about 580 news sites. 75 of them are do follow. That's literally the last of its kind. You're not going to find a higher do follow count than that. It does a very good job for passing authority through and increasing the authority of pages. We personally utilize that. If I'm going to take this link and I go and build it somewhere, I'm going to put it right into a press release right after this. And that's what you do. That's how you start to increase. That's how you're sending relevancy over to your GMB listing. So after this, one of the things that we would definitely go and do is we would start to embed, embed more items. We're going to embed the Google map, make sure our CID information is in here. But again, this particular service, this includes setting up your Google My Map is going to be all of the articles that we're going to write, because every single one of these attached inside of here, all of these are unique article that pertains and is on a different page. So each of these right in here, if we go to this map, so let me go to this next page here. I want to explain this in depth to you guys. So if I go here and I go to my map, every single one of the My Maps. Now there's a total of 9. There's the main My Map, and then there's all the individuals. Every single one of these My Maps have a unique article inside of it. These are well-written articles. Obviously, ignore this question mark. This will be fixed. But all of these are unique articles. All of them serve its purpose for building relevancy. Again, see the My Map page, the Google My Map creation page, for a much better in-depth of what services and how we're creating and what this is. But the additional price is for us to be able to write a minimum of 500 words in each of these. So that's approximately 9 pages, and that's the price difference. Now, if you have your own articles, great, send them over to us. We'll be happy to use your particular articles, but the price justification of each of these articles are extremely. Anyways, if you guys have any questions for me, please don't hesitate to ask. You can hit